grab a bow staff and let's go over the 7 basic strikes and the 7 basic counters right now. Listen, you deserve to be training with a quality rattan collie staff. So head over to colliecenter.com, check out my store over there, and go pick up a rattan staff today. Got the link down below. To advance your training further, also check out my Collie Staff DVD download, or you can join my online school. I've got a 20% discount down also in the description below, just for doing this training with me here on today's video. With these fighting skills, you can work each one of these movements from any of the Collie Staff fighting grips. Today, I'm gonna be doing them all in the doula grip, which is both palms in the down position. The 7 strikes, or 7 attacks, basics. We have our downward number 1 strike, our downward number 2 strike, our upward number 3 strike, and our upward number 4 strike. Then we're gonna come across on a 5 strike, across on a 6 strike, and then down the vertical on the 7. Let me show you this from a couple different angles. From here we have our number 1, our angle 2, our angle 3, our angle 4, our 5, our 6, and our 7. You're gonna notice it doesn't matter which lead I'm in right now. You wanna make sure that you can work all of these basic strikes with the right foot forward, and then all these basic strikes with the left foot forward as well. Very important for when we start to combine footwork, we gotta make sure that it doesn't matter which lead that we're in. Let's work these 7 basic strikes with a little bit of speed. Our next 7 movements are the counters to those 7 strikes. Let's take a look at them. Number 1, we're going to counter strike high. Number 2, counter strike high on the right side. We're gonna counter strike low on number 3, protecting that left side low, and then counter strike low on the right for number 4. We're gonna come across on number 5, using the middle of the staff, and across to the right on number 6, using the middle of the staff. On number 7, we're gonna start with the middle of the staff, but it's gonna be angled. Okay, not straight up, angled. This allows us to bring it down and then smash their weapon down, and then we can follow up with thrusts and multiple strikes. Once again, counter number 1, protecting the high left side. Counter number 2, protecting the high outside or right side. Counter number 3, protecting the low left side. And counter number 4, protecting the low right side. Protect the mid with 5 and 6. And then on 7, you're protecting high. Make sure it goes over your head, and the staff should be at an angle, not horizontal, angle. And then you can bring it down and follow up with all of your strikes. Boom. If you have access to a training partner, have one person feed the basic strikes and have the other person on the other side work the basic counters. Nice and slow in the beginning. And as you're becoming more coordinated and more confident, then pick up the speed and pick up the power gradually. All right, now it's your turn. Go work these 7 basic strikes on the staff and the 7 basic counters to these strikes as well. Head over to colliecenter.com, order yourself a premium rattan collie staff because you deserve to be training with the best. Check out my DVD download and or join me over inside of my online school, and we can continue your collie staff training together and advance your collie staff skills. I'll see you guys back here next time. Keep training, get outside, go let nature be your collie dojo a couple times a week. I'll see you next time, my friend.